is I'm going to take you through and I'm actually going to show you exactly how I link a capture page with a one email solution. Okay. So it's called, I'm going to get into it. It's called the Marketing Pro, where you can host Bye Bye GoDaddy, right? Email. I want to get away from Active Campaign. Actually, I like them, but it's just cost effective to go to one. And of course, one of the businesses, yourbigbiz.com, as low as $30, you have a capture page, they connect your autoresponder, and you have a complete business in a box. So I'm going to show you that now. So I'm going to go to my affiliate dashboard here, and I'm going to take you, I'm going to go to present. Don't mind me, I'm still getting used to my new StreamYard software. I like it. So on my lives here, don't mind me if I'm looking down. I'm getting used to it. Just like anything, when you're consistent, you master it, right? That's how I was able to fire my boss 7 years ago with this. So I'm gonna go share screen, and I'm gonna go. Okay, I got my monitors here. Boom. All right, here we're gonna go to my E1U Life dashboard here. So as you can see here on my E1U Life dashboard, I had $100 come in today, but I want to show you here. This is called E1U Marketing Pro. But before I take you there, I want to show you the business itself, because by showing you the business itself, you're going to understand how this all links together, okay? So you don't have to use E1U Life Marketing Pro because you have a built-in autoresponder. So that's cool to start with. So you come over here, and I'm going to take you I'm going to go home, and I'm going to show you what the services are and what you get. As you see, I'm Vertex Live. That's me, Coach Scott D. I've been with them since 2016. And this is what I'm talking about here. So if you wanted a page like, well, let's go to my Scott Funnels page, scottfunnels.com real quick. Give me 1 second. I want to give you an example of what a squeeze page is, or a capture page, because people don't know what it is. So I want to clarify, because this is for beginners, and I'm going to share this tab right here. As you can see, this is what a squeeze page is. Okay, this is what it is, where you want to put your email or a name field. And yes, I have a funnel inside here for all my new members. You can copy my funnel, my bonuses, and everything. So now I'm gonna stop sharing this. We're gonna go back over to where we were with the E1U Life. Give me one moment. Let me switch over there, and we're gonna go to stream, present, share screen, and we're gonna go back to where we are. And I will not do any more interruptions. I apologize for that. And let's go. Boom. So here we go. So back in the E1U Life, getting back to what I was started with here. Elevation Basic, this is $30. Boom, or you come in here and they make a capture page. You can just say, hey, you can tell them, make Scott's capture page, duplicate it. They'll build it for you. And that's what the product is here. And let me go back now to the other part of this and just give you what social media pack. So each pack, this is 110, okay? This is 275 email templates. You can take the Google Docs that I have with my emails and go to the email templates, and they'll make you a custom logo. I'm getting into that too, the email templates. And I haven't even gotten to the autoresponder. I'm just digging into the product and how you can make 100% commissions on this. So right here you can have a logo, you can, whatever your email text want to be, you want to brand yourself. This is everything that this is about. So if you like what I'm hearing, I see I have 5 people here. Just comment, keep going, because it's going to get better and better and better. So let me come back over here. We're going back here. Now, what's this custom logo? So to be eligible to earn $500 instant commissions, you get a logo, you're going to get email templates, you're going to get a social media pack, you're going to get a landing page. For $500, you're ready to roll with a whole entire business. And if I come back over here, if I go into my affiliate dashboard, you're going to have access to this autoresponder right here, your referrals, and all your links, including my funnel back here. I can't see it yet. It's all propagating through, but you'll have my funnel to use, so you can copy me, okay? So now getting back to web hosting, the get rid of GoDaddy and all that jazz. So I'm going to come E1U Marketing Pro, $49.95 a month, okay? So technically you can start your business. You can start your business with E1U Life Marketing Pro for pretty much $30 plus, what is it, 49. So just about $80 you have a business, okay? So here you go. What is this? This is the autoresponder you get. This just has some of my leads here. You can access, we'll show you the autoresponder. And I'm going to share this screen instead. And as you can see, this is my autoresponder, and this has, you get contacts coming in. Everything's linked in one spot. That's why this is your number one business solution. So if you go to yourbigbiz.com, you'll be able to video, get all my bonuses as well. So let's go back to the E1U Life Marketing Pro and look at this promo host access now. You can look at this domain. I'm not going to show you my domain, but your cPanel, everything is here, right? Everything is here. So what are your next steps if you really want to get started with this business, right? What are your next steps? Your first step is to go to yourbigbiz.com, right? Go through it, watch the video, okay? Then you're going to come into your back office and I'll show you what you're going to do. You're going to choose a package. So let's go back to sharing. I'm going to go to present. And I'm going to go to share screen. And I'm going to go share screen. I'm going to go back in one life. It's not letting me share my screen. There it is. Sorry, everybody. My computer was lagging a bit. Here we go. So now we're sharing this screen right here, which is great. So I'm going to go back to my E1U Life dashboard, share this tab instead. We'll go to dashboard here, sorry. Let's go back into my account. E1U Life login, and then we'll go into here. And now, so your next step is to choose. Do you want Elevation Basic, which is $30, okay? Elevation Elite, which is $110, which, just so you know, I had a $100 bill come in today on automation. This is all instant. You don't have to be on the phone or anything. This is what automation's about, is 2023, and everything below you get. So if you get Elevation Elite, you're going to get Elevation Basic. So Vertex, this is email templates, $275. Vertex Elite, $550. You get a custom logo. Vertex Pro, you get a multi-page funnel, something like Scott Funnels, like my page. You can have that. Vertex Live custom built website. You could be the solution to the problem of people needing to build sites, and lots of other things coming in over here. So other than that, that's what you have to choose. And then after you do that, all you're going to do is email bonus to scott@scottfunnels.com so my team can issue your bonuses that are outlined at yourbigbiz.com. So I hope everyone enjoyed this live. This was a kind of a training and a promotional live at the same time. So I look forward to connecting with you all. And any questions, you can hit me up at Messenger, yourbigbiz.com. But before you, if you do ask questions, because this is why I ask people, because I want to be able to talk to you, right? I want to be able to talk to you and you know what we're talking about. So with that being said, I want to make sure that you go through the video at yourbigbiz.com. Any questions, you feel free to message me. I'll get you in my Facebook group where we're all communicating in there. We're all growing as one, as a team, because this has a leverage compensation plan. Your success is my success and vice versa. We all win together, and that's how I like it. That's why I put this community. Right now it's called Scott Funnels, How I Fired My Boss, but it's going to be something else. So other than that, I look forward to connecting with you all. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next live. Bye for now.